Hi, Roy Maddox here. Today we're at TRT in Hamilton, where we're installing 600 kilowatts of solar panels at the moment on 3 of their roofs. When we finish this project across the other roofs, there'll be around 1 megawatt of solar on this site. This system, as it is, with the 600 kilowatts, is going to save them 50 tonnes of CO2 emissions a year. And that's cutting their overall CO2 by 44%. This is a Utilise project. Utilise is a special purpose power company that is set up to install solar panels on commercial roofs at their costs, cost the client nothing. We sell the power to the customer below the roof at a discount to mains power. So it really is a fantastic opportunity for TRT. It's win-win. They're cutting their carbon emissions, they're saving money, they're playing their part in our drive to be sustainable in New Zealand and demonstrating to their stakeholders, their staff, their international customers that they are committed to their environmental, social and governance structures. So congratulations TRT, it's a great job. It's really good to see you getting on board, and thanks to Utilise and being installed by SolarKing. So we've had a look on the roof. I'd like to introduce you now to the Managing Director of TRT, Mr. Bruce Carden.
Hi, Roy.
So tell me, Bruce, you're a real market leader in this sector because you'd be one of the first people in your industry to take this step into sustainability. What's your driving force behind that?
Well, I think every individual in the world's got something to play in terms of sustainability and a better planet. And as a business owner, if we can do our piece, then why not? And from an economic point of view, what we're doing with Utilise is stacking up. So both from an economic point of view and also for helping the planet out, I think TRT is doing what's necessary.
And well, I've spoken already about the statistics, but with that 50 tonnes of CO2 avoided, that's 44% of your CO2 emissions. I mean, how else could a company like yours achieve it? It's a pretty good point in the ground, isn't it?
Well, it's very difficult, and of course, because we're a heavy engineering business, really concentrating on the transport and crane industries, those industries themselves are emitters of carbon. And so as a business, we try and make sure that the products that we build are as clean and green as we can. For instance, we've just upgraded our new tip crane to being a Euro 6 model. But one day, maybe an electric or an alternative power system.
Fantastic. And tell me, you're an international company, you export. What are your stakeholders, your customers overseas? What is their attitude? How do they see something like this? Is this a big tick in the box for you?
Well, we came on this journey, as you know. We got together at the end of last year, and it's been a progressive job putting the solar panels on the roof, and you've done a fantastic job, thank you very much. But again, our customer base, particularly in Australia, where we export a lot to, large infrastructure jobs where our cranes and our trailers go on, those particular clients are looking to see where their purchases are being done sustainably. And this particular method that we're doing with solar, I think is certainly a great contributor.
That's excellent. So you really are a market leader in your industry, there's no doubt about it. So that's great. I mean, congratulations and thank you for doing what you're doing for the planet, really. You know, imagine if every building down this street had solar on the roof, we'd be solar zero in 2030.
One day you'll get there.
One day we'll get there. So isn't that great? That's great to see. TRT are doing such a good job in meeting our sustainability goals. So congratulations TRT, and thanks Bruce, well done.
No worries. Thanks very much
Thank
for
you.
your effort.
Okay, now as you can see, this is a great time and effort saver. This unit is one of only 2 in New Zealand. We've imported it from Germany. It'll take panels all the way up the roof where the team will unload safely, not going near the edge, and it takes a lot of the work and hassle out of handling panels. A great tool for solar panel installation.